Anyways, bro, bro,
Mhm.
it's a prank. Hello? So hey guys, alright, let's get right into it. So alright, I did text her before and I asked her what and all them things there. And she just say yeah, everything alright. So then I said to her, I say, but further I said to her, I say, there's something I need to tell you. But she did work, so she kinda slow up and reply. So my girl have me a wait like me I say my girl me have something to tell you. Hurry up now. Hurry up. She have me a wait. To me there, I mean I wonder where's this girl? Where she there?
One eternity later.
No, this girl is so bitter. Look what the girl respond and say talk. Supposed to go through this big depression phase. Eh? So may I say like bro lad. What make you have to be so? No sir. No okay. Oh in a fear age she like my girl get to the point no. So I went ahead to say anyways, I went to the doctor and you know, whatever. So yeah. I didn't really want to get to the point. I didn't want like dry it out and whatever because we've been talking about doctor business and whatever for some weeks. No. So yeah. So I try to keep her, you know, like asking, what is it? What is it? But let's see. Anyhow, she was at work, so I had to be waiting on these replies. So I'm like, I'm always have to be texting or something, you know, ESR respond or something. But I'm here still waiting. So she said, what happened? So, you know, I was going to say to her, guess what? But then, you know, probably she'll come and say, I'm not in a guessing thing, tell me. Someone said something really messed up. Yo. Guys, based on how the message went along, is like this girl having her back her head long time like me I come tell her me I breathe. No, only if you see this continue. If anybody know Maya is so harsh. She love the to the point business. She not like the suspense business. So the girl takes me back talk now. So me say, oh, why you rush me for? Like, why are you rushing me? If I'm coming here to tell you something that's messed up, why you rush me, sis? Eh? That's why I'm going to head to ask her if she busy because she just want me to get to the point. Don't rush me. So she's like, because you can't start me up and broke me down. This girl love mix up. Like, as I should stay. Love mix up. She want the mix up come straight to the point. Anyways, but they work, but me can't talk. So I'm gonna like you love mix up like why you love mix up so so I went along to elect the message I said but we can talk. So you know I want to keep her still thinking like what could that be? So I'm like I'm in a very bad situation. As you can see where she said you said doctor. So you know oh she's you know that mean my girl just get to the point. So she said some me no must want hear. Me tell her this girl is like mix up. Anyway, she said what happened. So um so she blurted out them me tell her to this girl I'm not the back of the head say me a breathe long time, you know. So I did just wanted to go and highlight the part where she said you're pregnant. So I went ahead and highlight what happened. Some say you wouldn't believe, and then see me go, she said you're pregnant, and me go send her I think the crying emoji. Yeah, the crying emoji. So right now, friend are coming with this lollipop extra business. As me send that, she make a phone call. So the thing cut off. So that's why you guys can see the missed call. And me say text girl, and she said don't make my box yo. And she had said yes to the crying face. She said, are you really pregnant? And me say for what? And knowing Maya, when she said, she's like, breathe, breathe, you can't afford it, you know. So I'm going on to tell her that I've been pregnant for months, right, and didn't know. So I think she's gonna come along to say she know I'm pregnant long time, because I'm not rush. I've been missing my period, and I'm not rush if say okay to go doctor. Because she take long, I'm gonna start send the crying emoji, you know. May I try get little attention. So she said I just knew. Look into it, look on it. Look how the girl here. Look how the girl here look. So me I said, you know what? You know, it's like this girl long time she say she a breed, you know? She a breed, she just not tell me. She said, cause I don't know how you have period so long and not have period so long and you're not alarmed. And I'm like, I was alarmed. Who said I wasn't alarmed? Like, fam, my day I'm alarmed. I just not make a big deal out of it. So, yeah. So I went ahead to send the two big guy them, because me I say shut up, I wasn't alarmed. I said sis, who said me not alarmed? Just not complain, you know? Just wasn't complaining. So here she is now. You mentioned it, but you never checked it out. I mean, how much months? So okay, me there, and me I wonder, me I say, how much months is it till I know? With somebody there, and me I sum it up. I'll me read her message and me I wonder. So she ready if say that she's such a concerned friend though, you know, cause she said what you gonna do. So me did this still I look how much months make her tell her so I'm pregnant. I'm like 12 weeks, because based on stuff that happen, I'm like 12 weeks with the add it up. Yeah, some said 12 weeks. So I am responding to what she said, what you gonna do? Some say, what you mean? And she I like that she said what you gonna do, and said so she said you keeping, and I went along to say what may I say, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what to do right now. So you know, may I make she seem like I'm confused, because she know me is a very confused person, difficult hard to deal with, and when come out to things I'm not sure. So she said that's 3 months, and I'm like yes. Let me say yes, that's 3 months. So you know, sis gonna make sure I got a baby daddy around here. So she went along to say what I didn't say. So I'm like, he's okay with it, you know. Me here still giving her stuff for like, you know, makes things sound very real. So I'm like, September, you know, September isn't too far away, apart. Okay, apart. So why I said September is too far, because I'm supposed to start work officially as a teacher in September. So she said, what about you? And like, what about me? About me, I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a baby and part the picnic on the man. Anyways, moving along. So I'm like where he starts to work, right? And I'm like, what about me? And I said, I don't know. She said, you expect baby September. And I'm like, nope. But I was just saying, money start pushing fast at September. So she said, your body, your choice. Well, yes, sis, I know it's my body, my choice. So she said, you think you're ready? And I'm here saying, okay, am I ready? So as you can see, I'm mega highlight now. She said, are your body? And I said, I know. And she said, are your choice? I'm gonna say, what you think I should do? Because like overall, we as friends will always ask each other what we think we should do in certain situations. So response saying that I don't think I'm ready. I said no, and she responds, she want me to say what you think I should do, and she said, I don't know, to be honest. Well, me, if me that breed for you, more don't know either. Like probably my ear would have followed one by one each night. So anyways, she said look on the long term run, how things run. I want to my friend, she always I think positive, and I make sure I say your foot upon the ground when certain situation kick in and things get extremely rough. You have to look out for the future. So I say look meaning, because right now me I think she I say, alright girl, nobody have no pity, just go wash it out. That me I think she I say no. So me went along to say, what people gonna say, but I don't know why I'm even say that, because what people are gonna say after picnic people, me not look upon people to take care of my picnic. So I don't know why I'm not even say that what people are say. Like, so she cleared the air. She said, all things look for you and the baby in the long term run. So I'm like, or finances. So she said, no, bitch, who cares? I'm like, who cares about what people are gonna say, right? So she said, financial and comfort. Like, you think things gonna go smoothly? And my response say, I don't know, because I mean, yeah, breed. Who know how things like a go? You never know. Probably one day you have to decide to put yourself in a barrel and roll it away. So she was like, you gotta think fast, because the baby's already 12 weeks. And I'm like, yes, I know. I have been thinking. I mean, I'm like almost 23. Why not? She said, what's your parents gonna say? And I'm like, I don't even know. Like, So she said, the age has nothing to do, my dear. Which, for true, because you could be 50 and broke. Why would you want to have a child then? And I'm like, I know, sis, I know. But I'm done with school. And she said age is not a factor. So, which is true, people. Don't bother me, because I don't feel like when I reach certain age, I'm gonna go breed for people and on a broke and can't afford it. And then at the end of the day, when I walk and beg people. So she went along to say, the money alone can finance you. And we know, never in a world you want to be financed, have one money coming in. So make sure everybody will set and ready if you have on a baby. Anyways, getting back to it. So she said, can finance you and the baby. And so dear Lord, hear this child now. She said, it's funny, but I had a dream. No, sir, Martin Luther King, this friend had a dream. So, me say, what dream? This young lady going to say of someone giving me a bunch of blue balloons with a teddy bear. No, so it's from the front part of the message when I tell her say Maya have it in the back of her head long time to say may I breed out here. Somebody giving her a bunch of blue balloons. So what should I try to say? No, me have to laugh. Oh no, please excuse me, guess them next door, cause them dog, yeah? No, sir. Anyways, couldn't make out the face or what it was about. So if somebody give she a bunch of blue balloons, and I mean say she a breed, and she a breed. She say or what it was about. Some say so boy baby yeah make off. She said, I don't know. Sis. So she had said me just had the dream.
I have a dream that one day.
And now you tell me. I wonder if at that at the dream. I think that's what she wanted to say. So I said I don't want a boy baby, sis. Girl, anything you choose to do, I'm here to support you 100. Yo, you guys need a friend like this in your corner. So she says, sis, that's not my choice. Back up. Oh, she says, sis, that's not your choice. A choice is whether I want baby, a boy baby or not. So this is where the text message end when me say, are you ready to be an aunt? And I'm like, you know what, I'll give her a phone call right now. So she did reply to say, to respond to say already an aunt, and then me say, you know what? Let me just call her. So I did call her, so we're going to that portion of the prank now. So guys, I'm about to call her right now to hear what she have to say and then to end up the conversation to say it's a prank. Hello? Yeah. What? No, we can't talk on phone. But what's happening in a prison? My audience just there watch TV. And she make me and me tired for text, so I just call and just put up on speaker. Eh? Me there too. Just so that's what is going on right now, girl, in my life.
Next episode.
Eh?
Live. So next episode is
Yep.
upcoming awesomeness.
Eh?
Upcoming awesomeness kind of like is a
Me whole life what?
is a show.
Bro, go dead. Yep.
You don't watch your song?
No, not yet. At the time I did go a doctor, never that I did go boat. I did go boat, I worry about the whole. Yep. So and then him say all of that. Eh?
Yes, I think it is gonna happen. I will tell him so we'll be back. So it's something can happen.
Yeah. I don't think them a go fry. They not go fry. But they give me father like 1 and 2 in about it, but nothing too serious. Yep. So if me get to come over summer, you know, you see me as a baby mother. You're gonna pay me enough attention.
I'm say how this. I'm like you try use that as excuse, you know. I know you have attention.
Eh?
No, but I use that as excuse. I'm gonna say love attention.
Use what excuse?
Why you have to give me attention? Because you know I'm saying, Maya. Oh, you're gonna start looking up near it.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
have any name in plan? Any names?
Tashmin.
What? Tashmin.
Tashmin.
Friend name that.
Tashmin, come here.
You look how far you gone. And about know if a boy or a girl.
Me I tell you, I really miss you, boy.
Do you have dreams, yeah, boy?
Yes.
Really no. I don't want a boy pitney.
And that's why I get him.
Well,
Let's start saying, I don't want to go picnic. Start saying, I don't want to go picnic. You get black. I say, I was going to know that.
that's true.
You can even tell them no, because you say late, no?
Oh, my parents?
Mm-hmm.
Soon tell them. Soon tell them. Anyways, bro. Bro.
Mm-hmm.
It's a prank. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I'm shit with the girl. But, seriously?
I picked you up.
Me have him or you have him?
It's a prank, bro. I'm doing what? No, I'm not. But I'm just here and me there talk to you and me record you. It's a prank for my channel. Hello.
I'm gonna mash up the computer the way I have.
So you slung there plan baby name and all these things. I talk about
I'm a baby name.
no, you just ask me make baby name.
I'm gonna wear it on. I never found that way that because the name in the come home.
Make up baby name and me head come home. That would be the last thing for me admire.
That you would have done.
What?
I'm not saying what I do.
Anyways, say hello to my YouTube channel.
No, say hello.
Say hello. Say hello.
Don't talk to me. Disrespectful.